Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the Web.com website builder and give you a comprehensive review. If you're looking to create a stunning website without any coding skills, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. Overview of Web.com website builder. Before we jump into the details, let's quickly talk about what Web.com website builder is all about. It's a powerful tool designed to help individuals and businesses build professional-looking websites with ease. Whether you're a small business owner, blogger, or freelancer, this platform offers a range of features to bring your vision to life. Key features of Web.com website builder. Now, let's discuss some of the standout features that make Web.com website builder a great choice for creating your website. Intuitive drag-and-drop interface. One of the biggest advantages of using Web.com website builder is its user-friendly interface. You don't need any technical expertise or coding skills. Simply drag and drop elements onto your canvas, customize them to your liking, and watch your website come to life. Customizable templates. Web.com website builder offers a wide range of professionally designed templates that cater to different industries and website types. Whether you're looking for a sleek and modern design or a classic and elegant look, you'll find a template that suits your needs. Mobile responsiveness. In today's mobile-centric world, having a responsive website is crucial. With Web.com website builder, you can rest assured that your website will look great on any device. The templates automatically adjust to different screen sizes, ensuring a seamless user experience. E-commerce functionality. If you're planning to sell products or services online, Web.com website builder has got you covered. It offers built-in e-commerce functionality, allowing you to set up a fully functional online store, manage inventory, process payments, and track orders easily. Pros and cons. As with any website builder, there are pros and cons to consider. Let's take a look at what we liked and what could be improved with Web.com website builder. Pros. Easy-to-use interface, perfect for beginners. Wide range of customizable templates. Mobile responsive designs. Built-in e-commerce functionality. Reliable customer support. Cons. Limited design flexibility compared to more advanced platforms. Some advanced features may require additional upgrades. Pricing plans may not be suitable for everyone. After thoroughly reviewing the Web.com website builder, we can confidently say that it's a solid choice for individuals and businesses looking to create a professional website without the need for coding skills. The intuitive interface, customizable templates, and e-commerce functionality make it a powerful tool for building your online presence. If you're ready to get started, we've provided a link in the description below. By using our affiliate link, you can support our channel and get exclusive offers. So, don't wait any longer. Click the link, sign up for Web.com website builder, and start creating your perfect website today. That's all for today's video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. If you have any questions or experiences with Web.com website builder, feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.